Take me back to the time when I didn't know how to stand alone, just figure out how to use my brain and learned about the outside world. For me, it was class 8, long before insecurities, long before heartbreaks. It was the paradise of dreams. Whether it was daydreaming or time before sleep, the fictional characters would surround us. There was new addition in our routine: eat, sleep, study, and dream. Dream about how you want to be in future with blurry paths. We all knew what we wanted, how we wanted. We knew we would get what we want. No matter how much efforts it takes, we were ready to put in all the hard work. With little information and lots of excitement of growing up and working for what we want, we all grew up. We explored a little more about what the real world looks like, and boom, we were flooded with too much information, lots of unwanted advices and scary warnings. The blurry paths of our dreams started getting clear, and we saw it was filled with thorns. The dreams we were confident about suddenly felt too utopian that we started compromising with ourselves. We lied to ourselves that we can't achieve what we want and that we should be more practical with our choices. We were told that we were kids with no sense of real world. We shouldn't be so stubborn. Our dreams can never be real. We know that we were kids when we saw our dreams without any restriction, without any pressure, and that's why our dreams were real. Considering the world, their expectations, then making our decision what we want to be is people pleasing, not a dream which you saw before this outer noise. Now, allow yourself to live in that moment again when you saw that dream and knew you can do it. Because you can do it.